Finding the perfect smartwatch in 2025 can be tricky because everyone has different needs. But luckily, there are plenty of great options out there for every budget. While each watch has its own unique features, there are budget-friendly models that don't compromise on quality. Today, I've rounded up the best budget smartwatches for 2025. These watches offer a great mix of features, from health tracking to notifications, all at an affordable price. Depending on your personal needs and how you plan to use the watch, we'll figure out which one could be the best fit for you. Whether you're looking for a smartwatch that's budget-friendly but packed with features, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the video. Number 5. Amazfit Active. Can you really get a premium smartwatch experience without breaking the bank? Amazfit Active says absolutely. With a price tag of just $109, it packs impressive fitness and health tracking features that rival its pricier competitors. And it's not just about the features, it's got style too. Whether you're cycling, running, or hitting the weights, Amazfit Active has your back. It tracks everything from your health stats to fitness metrics with precision. Plus, it gives you the feel of a high-end smartwatch while keeping things comfortable and stylish. I've put this watch through its paces over the past few months: cycling trips, intense running sessions, even strength training. And honestly, it's blown me away every single time. Is it perfect? Not quite. But for this price range, its minor flaws are easy to overlook. Amazfit Active isn't just a budget-friendly smartwatch, it's so much more. You can hit your health and fitness goals without spending a fortune while looking good doing it. Number 4. CMF Watch Pro. 2. Everyone's talking about high-end smartwatches, but we're here to offer you an awesome alternative at a much better price. Meet the CMF Watch Pro 2. For just £69, this smartwatch brings you style, functionality, and great performance all in one. The CMF Watch Pro 2 takes a big leap in design, moving from the square shape of the first model to a sleek circular design. But don't worry, the price is still super budget-friendly. So you get the features of those expensive smartwatches without the hefty price tag. Sure, there are a few minor software hiccups, but overall, the CMF Watch Pro 2 delivers a fantastic user experience. With its great features and sleek design, this watch really stands out as a strong contender. If you're looking for a stylish, functional smartwatch that won't break the bank, you definitely need to check out the CMF Watch Pro 2. Now's the perfect time to discover everything it has to offer. Number 3. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Imagine a smartwatch that not only looks stylish on your wrist, but also doesn't break the bank. Yep, I'm talking about the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Amazfit has a reputation for delivering quality at affordable prices, and this little gem definitely lives up to the hype. It's the perfect mix of style and functionality. The GTS 4 Mini is lightweight and comfortable, so much so that you'll barely notice it's there. But what you will notice is its incredible battery life. Unlike many other smartwatches, you don't have to plug this one in every night. It's designed to stay with you for days, handling your busy life without skipping a beat. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or out on the go, it keeps up effortlessly. Now let's talk features. For its price, this watch offers impressive fitness tracking and all the essentials you'd expect from a smartwatch. Sure, it's not as pinpoint accurate as some high-end models, and the screen responsiveness could be a bit sharper. But considering the price point, it punches way above its weight, offering great value for the features it delivers. Number 2. Garmin Venu 3. The Garmin Venu 3 is the third in the series, and unlike most movie trilogies, the third one is actually the best. Seriously, this is definitely one of the best Garmin watches out there. Just like the rest of the Venu series, this one strikes the perfect balance between being a smartwatch and a health tracker. First off, the Garmin Venu 3 comes with a stunning, vibrant AMOLED display that can easily compete with some of the best Apple Watches. And here's the kicker: while Apple Watches only last around 18 to 36 hours on a single charge, this one can go up to 2 full weeks without needing to be plugged in. That's right, 2 weeks. Now, what you won't get here are some of the more advanced running features like training readiness scores or race predictor that you might find on the Garmin Forerunner 265. But what you do get is some seriously impressive stuff. Advanced sleep tracking, personalized suggestions, an evening report, and even training metrics designed specifically for wheelchair users. In short, if you're looking for a smartwatch that combines style, durability, and top-notch health tracking with 2 weeks of battery life, the Garmin Venu 3 is the perfect choice for you. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is one of the best smartwatches out there, building on the legacy of its popular predecessor and bringing some next-level features to the table. Samsung teamed up with Google to create Wear OS 3, combined with One UI Watch 3. The result? A super user-friendly interface and smooth performance. Even though the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro launched in 2022, the Galaxy Watch 4 is still holding strong. Apart from battery life, there aren't many major differences. With its sleek design, advanced health tracking, and great price point, it's still a solid choice. Thanks to the collaboration between Google and Samsung, the operating system delivers speed and functionality like no other. From step counting and heart rate monitoring to sleep tracking, it's packed with features to help you stay on top of your health. Plus, the newer models make the Galaxy Watch 4 even more affordable. If you want cutting-edge tech right on your wrist, the Galaxy Watch 4 is a fantastic pick.